What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Honda Smart Key remote fob. So this remote key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The other thing we're going to be using is a flathead screwdriver. The first thing we want to do is grab our fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this release on the back, and then the emergency key will slide out like that, and we can just set that to the side for now. Now if we grab our screwdriver and we take a look at the bottom of the key fob, and we see these two plastic pieces right here, what you want to do is take your screwdriver, put it in between those two pieces of plastic, and then pry up. And as you do that, it will split the shell apart, and you can pull it the rest of the way apart like that. Once we have the back of the shell off, we see our battery right here, and you can use your screwdriver to help get under the edge of the battery and get it out of that holder. We'll grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. Plus side up. And what you want to do is kind of tuck that side in first, and then snap it down like that. Then we'll grab the back of the shell, snap that back together. Make sure it's snapped together all the way around. Slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.